are you doing today? I hope you know you are wonderful. If you're new here, my name is Teresa. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. And if you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing. In today's video, we are going to organize more. I got some more of these drawers. I will link all 3 that I bought down below. I really am loving these. I'm very visual, and so I can actually see what is what. And I used to use these things, and I'm going to move those and organize them with this. So let's get organizing. So I'm going to move you guys a little so we could see what exactly. So to start, these are pretty easy. These are my library cards. I am just going to put them, let's see if they'll fit right in here. Nope, they don't. Library cards are going to have to go elsewhere. Okay, so some of the things that I really do love about these drawers, and while I explain what I do love, I am going to go over and separate these a little bit better from who makes what. Let me clean off a little bit of this from another project. Okay. So one of the things I do love is these come out so I can just go, okay, here we go, and pull out what I want. And you can stack them, which is awesome. And I am really enjoying them. So we have some that, oh, I have a few. I will figure out whose these are and right down below. I know this bunch is Shabby Dabby Doo Dah. This right here is Monarch Prince. But I don't know the others. And one of the things I'm going to do is write down way down below, do a little sticker way down below of what's in them. So I can figure that out. And if I need a refill, I can refill them back up. Actually, that goes with there. I hope everyone is doing great. Things here are good. You know, sometimes I have a hard time figuring out whose is what when they're all jumbled together, you know? So I'm going to go through this, and I will probably speed up this process for you. I am sure the last thing you want to see is spending hours of me sorting these. I'm going to go over this. Okay, so right now I have, these are Monarch prints. What do I have up over here? I'm not sure who these are. I cannot remember, but they're right here. We have the Shabby Dabby Doodah, and then I cannot remember who these come from. I will look and find out and put them below. But they are just tags of like, kind of like what you get in Tim Holtz, but I know they're not Tim Holtz. I printed them. They're digitals of some sort. So we're just going to throw those in there. And these are what I am not sure. So I don't know who these belong to. These belong to. So we're just going to set those in there for right now. And let's get those out. And I'm going to do the same with these because I think these are all one thing. And these are just cutouts that I have done that were random. So those need a different place. So I'm going to set them over here on the side. And we're going to have a section for paper clips. I'll probably do one of these littles. Oh, that's kind of fun. I need a section for finished paper clips. Okay, some that are finished paper clips, and this is going to be regular paper clips. You never know when you're going to need a paper clip, right? And I really want I'll have another one for little bling, and I'd rather have one over here for usable stamps. So we're going to move that. So in here, these are all just random stamps from different things that I like to use in this, so for journals. Not really sure where they came from. They're all varied, but I do use them quite often sometimes, so those can go in there. And then I have flowers right there. And these are all just they're stickers, and I don't use them enough, and I really do like them. So I'm going to, that's not needed in there. We're just gonna put those in one of these. Now, once I get the other section going, let me see, I'm recording. As of right now, this is my setup. And as you can see, I have like 4 more of these. About 2 sets of these and then 1 of these. And I really like them. And I might just put them right here because I am really loving having them. Okay, anyway, so I have butterflies in here. And I still need to go through this one. I just kind of been putting stuff. I have stamps. I have these that I need to figure out who they belong to. This is actually one that is set up for my Alice in Wonderland journal. So this one will change because it is just pieces for journals like that I want to use. These two are Tim Holtz. This is a bunch of buttons. And this is just a bunch of like blank, like metal pieces, plastic pieces to look metal, that kind of stuff. These are little sticker tags. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. These are just not flowers, but nature type of. These are all numbers. I need to figure out whose this is because I really do need to print some more of them. These are just stickers that I bought, and they're all fairies. I do not remember where I got them. Maybe Amazon, I don't know. Here's a bunch of random lace and stuff that I can add. Stickers that are flowers, animal stickers. This is Shabby Dabby Doodah. And these are paper flowers, and most of them are Shabby Dabby Doodah. So now for this side. These are little tags, you know, envelopes to decorate things with. I might put undone in the envelopes. I don't know yet, but they're little envelopes, which I love. These ones are pre-done, pre-made tickets. And these are empty tickets waiting to be made. These are just ephemera pieces that I got, like, you know, you can buy a pack at Hobby Lobby, different places like that. Big stickers that are stamps. And this one is going to be photos that I have taken and wanted to turn into ephemera. Okay, let's go. We're going to go with this one next. Okay, this is Monarch Prints. These are just stickers that I got that look like burnt papers and stuff. There's nothing in there. I'm actually going to take these out, but this is my fabric ruffles. These are straight clusters that are decorated, and you can use them for little side pockets, stuff like that. This is fabric that is stamped. My bases. Chipboard pieces. Finished. A second. Paper clips, decorations, empty paper clips. This is empty. Up here is where I'm going to put like my little shaker pieces that I like making. My bling, these are the paper, no, the smaller stamp stickers, binding. And then down here, these are bigger. So this whole set, these are two sections right here. And then these, and they all came together. This at the moment has blank tags, which will be moved. This has finished paper clusters. This has little dangles. This is little envelopes to write on, so you open them up and write on very, you know. These are more paper clusters that are pre-made. Fabric clusters that are pre-made. And here are some blank cluster backings and blank fabric clusters. So that is what I have so far. It's not all filled, but we got a lot done today. So thank you for joining me. The next time I do an update on this stuff, it will literally be what I have in everything. And yeah. So I hope you liked this. And again, I'll have these links down below. No, they're not affiliated links. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.